You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
All right, it has been a wonderful day to you once again. It is still me, MC Honeyboy. Mark, and I know you what's the name, huh?
My name is Folukede Amola Salako.
We know. So, this is my question. What is happening today? I want to know.
We are celebrating, or we celebrated a legend, Pa Charles Olumo, aka Agbako.
This is my question. Despite we have thousands of celebrities in the Nollywood now, why do you choose that you just intend to celebrate him? I want to know.
It's not restrictive to him alone. I still celebrate Uncle Larry Williams, Obiageli Malube, a whole lot of them. So it's not restrictive to him. It's just that it just happens that this is my month and Baba is also my month too. So I just felt that I should. And then the man is 97 and is worthy of celebration that age. So I decided to just celebrate him.
Now let me come to my native dialect, Yoruba. Nítorí èèyàn ara létẹ̀ wà ń lé gangan ẹ̀ka wá sí tiwantiwa gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ ọ́ pé òdú ni wọ́n ń ṣẹ̀mọ̀ fọlọ́kọ nísìnyí àhátì o mami mo rí pé ẹ máa ń gbé àwọn arúgbó yẹn gẹ̀gẹ̀gẹ̀gẹ̀ ẹ kì í fẹ́ kí kò yín mọ́ pamọ́ lọ́wọ́ ní ẹtú wá ní para foundation náà is there any reason for you for doing this.
I just have a command. Àwọn àgbàlagbà náà jẹ́ best friend mi jù. Grandma mi ìgbà tó wà láyé mo kéré ńgbà yẹn o but gbogbo time tá máa ń lọ lé tá máa ń lọ sílé ṣáà tó máa ṣe ń tọ́jú wa bóyá máa ń ṣe ńgbà yẹn ó máa ń mo like ẹ̀ so mo máa ń like àti wà láàround àwọn àgbàlagbà so ó draw me close to them not only àgbàlagbà àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké náà you understand so they are my best friends basically mo máa ń pe ara mi ní ọkọ arúgbó mo dẹ̀ máa ń pe ara mi ní ìyá ọmọ púpọ̀ ọlọ́mọ púpọ̀. So those are the things that gives me joy and excitement and that's why I do it.
All right. Well, I am one of her adopted son. Wọ́n ti adopt mi ti pẹ́.
A very naughty one at that.
That is it. This is FDS Folukede Amola Salako. This is my prayer. Mo sọ fún ọ náà lẹ́ẹ̀kan mo ní tó bá wọn 190 wọ́n ṣe máa slay ni ọlọ́run because no serious one pé bí ẹgbẹ́ mo rójú wọn o a máa ń jà o ajaku a sì jà lónìí iná yes a sì jà because one thing I will say this wọ́n máa ń bá mi jà lórí pé I want you to change for good man this is it she's like a candle being set on top of a mountain to direct lives not even the youth everybody yes ma mo àgbà ní àdúrà ibi tẹ́ ti gba ìdè ẹ̀ ní tẹ́ aṣọ yìí yóò dẹ̀ ní fàyà lágbára Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣe fọ́mọdé lẹ́yìn ṣe fàgbà mo dẹ̀ pé kí n tó kúrò mi balẹ̀ nù ẹ ti ná fún mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan ọ̀kẹ́ Ọlọ́run bá ń transfer ó máa sọ̀kalẹ̀ lẹ́nìí all right don't go there still chilling with my mother here Foruke Daramola celebrating her daddy an icon Charles Olumo dáramọ̀ sí àgbákò wọn wọn ṣe àgbákò àwọn ní àwọn jẹ́ àgbákò oríire gbogbo alamasi àgbákò oríire lágbára Ọlọ́run all right so what you have to say kílẹ̀ fẹ́ bá àwọn ará lè sọ.
mo fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará lé wípé wọ́n kù fẹ́ o I'm happy about the fact that tí ò bá sí ẹ̀yin kò lè sí àwa o and we are not taking that for granted gbogbo ìfẹ́ tẹ́ni sí wa Ọlọ́run á nífẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ̀yin náà padà o and I don't believe that they are haters even though they are haters I don't believe in it because I believe that there's no reason for you to hate because it's waste of emotions so but I just want to say thank you and àwọn tí wọ́n ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wa ẹ má believe pé ọjọ́ tá a bá bímọ ló ń rìn life is a process even when you want to come into the act you grow in it and be consistent and also be pray to God kó tó dáhùn fàdúrà ètò kù díẹ̀ káàtó náà àdúrà náà so mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mo dúpẹ́ and I appreciate and I love you all.
Alright. Ṣẹ́gbọ́, wọ́n ní I love for you gan. Alright, don't get this twisted. Go support this. Dua TV. Subscribe. Magrapwe. See ya. Take care. Love ya. Can I meet you? What's the name, sir?
My name is Obateni Ade.
Obateni Ade, CEO of King's Band. Okpo. Yes, boss. What is this? Dua TV. Subscribe. Dua TV. Okpo.